we're gonna do, anak? We're gonna wash your dede. Okay? You ready? Ready! Okay. Here's your dirty dede. This is what you're gonna do when you're grown up. Okay na? Gets? Gets mo na? Okay, you're gonna make, you know, brush like that. Tapos, the nipple, you have to, you know, okay? Nak, tingnan mo to. Uy, yan. Ano namang inumaya mo dyan, nak? Ha? Tapos yung cover din, okay? Pagkatapos, nagasa mo yung brush. Ayan. Rinse the brush. Okay? Then you wisik like that. Set it aside. Then you will rinse your dede. Okay? And then, lalagay sana. Saan lalagay? Sterilizer. Gusto mo rin sa sterilizer? Ha? Tulo na naman yung laway mo. So, this is life in America. Okay? Tita JB and Tita Ja, you're so lucky you have mothers. Okay? To help you. Tita Ja, you have Ate Dalen. Justine doesn't have Ate Dalen. Justine only has mommy. Nanak. Kunin na lang natin si Ate Dalen. Forward and bakit kinakagat mo yung lower lip mo? Ah, bebe. Ah, bebe. Ah, bebe. Ah, bebe. Mataba. Mataba. The skin. Okay, now we're done. Okay? In this one, you put water. Where's this thing? Look here. Ito, tubig. Inam. Nope. You put it in your sterilizer. You cover it. Then press. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, baby.